Having trouble updating WhatsApp on your Android device and looking for solutions? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to fix the WhatsApp update issue. So without any further ado, let's start. Before you follow anything, open Settings, scroll down, tap Developer Options. Make sure to turn on the Developer option on your device. Scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Scroll down a little. Also, enable Always Mobile Data On. Now restart your Android device and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. To do this, open a browser on your phone. Search anything to verify your internet is working. If the connection is slow or unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works or not. Solution 2. Clear app cache. To enable this, long press on the Play Store icon, tap the I button for app info, then go to Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Go one step back, tap on Force Stop button at the bottom right corner. Restart the app to see if the problem is resolved. Thanks for watching. Hopefully one of these methods help you solve the WhatsApp update problem. And if you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more quick tech solutions. See you in the next video.